What is social media marketing, SMM? Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Hello and welcome to my video on understanding social media marketing or SMM. If you're looking to promote your business on social media, then this video is for you. In this video, we will explain what social media marketing is and how it can help your business grow. Social media marketing or SMM refers to the use of social media platforms to promote a business or brand. It involves creating and sharing content on social media networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to increase brand visibility and awareness. SMM offers many benefits to businesses of all sizes. Some of its benefits include increased brand awareness, improved customer engagement, and increased website traffic. It also helps build brand credibility and loyalty. The key to a successful SMM is creating quality content that engages your target audience. This can be achieved through various means such as creating informative blog posts, visually appealing graphics, and interesting videos. Using social media advertising to target specific audiences is another effective way to reach potential customers. Creating a successful SMM strategy involves identifying your target audience, setting goals and objectives, and selecting the right social media channels to use. It also involves creating a content plan, measuring results, and adjusting your strategy as necessary. To make the most of your SMM efforts, it is important to follow best practices such as creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and responding promptly to customer inquiries and complaints. It is also important to avoid common mistakes such as over-promoting your brand and ignoring negative feedback. To streamline your SMM efforts, there are many social media marketing tools available. These tools can help with content creation, social media scheduling, and analytics. Some popular tools include Hootsuite, Buffer, and Google Analytics. Many brands have successfully used SMM to increase brand awareness and drive sales. Some notable examples include Old Spice's The Man Your Man Could Smell Like campaign and Red Bull's Stratus Jump. By implementing a sound SMM strategy, businesses can achieve similar success. SMM is constantly evolving, and businesses must stay up to date on the latest trends and changes. Some current trends in SMM include increased use of video content, influencer marketing, and personalized advertising. These trends are expected to continue into the future. That's a wrap for this video on understanding social media marketing. We hope you have gained a better understanding of SMM and its benefits. If you're looking to implement an SMM strategy for your business, be sure to follow best practices and stay up to date on the latest trends. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more informative content.